Hello everyone, this is my Unix 8th experiment. So this is a process creation. So my first question is write a C process program, create the following process hierarchy and perform the following. That is process I get seconds as the input from the user, B calculates hours, minutes and seconds and print them in that format. Then print the process ID and parent process ID of each process. So this is the code for that. First I am giving the headings. I have declared the headings, then I'm initializing the seconds, minutes and hours. Then I'm printing the parents process, percentage %d /n, enter the seconds. I will ask the user to enter the seconds and enter the process, enter the seconds, and then scan of percentage %d seconds. Then I'm initializing process ID is equal to 4. Then I'm using if condition. If process ID equal to 0, then it will print the child process and parent ID. That is percentage %d /n, percentage /n, get PID, get process PID. I am initializing hours is equal to seconds, minutes equal to hours is equal to seconds by 3600, minutes is equal to seconds percentage 3600 by 60, and then seconds I am initializing as minute percentage 60 by 60. So and then I am printing the this condition. I am printing this and I printf. I am giving this condition. So I will show you the else sleep. So I will show you the output. So I'm giving seconds. So yeah, that is child process this and parent ID is this. So it has displayed there. My second question is to write a C++ program to create the following process hierarchy and perform the following. That is, process A reads strings as input and character. Process B reverses the string and displays. Process C checks the string for palindrome. I present the process ID and parent process ID for each process. So the code for that is this is my C language. First I am initializing, define the headings, then I am character string 10, character string 110 and initializing hijack 0. Then I'm printing a parent process percentage /n, same as the before the experiment, the previous experiment, previous question. Print of here also I'm printing the enter the string, so I'll ask the user to enter the string. So I'm initializing one as string length string, then printing string length is, and initializing process ID is equal to 4. Then here I'm using if condition. If PID is equal to 0, then this condition will be executed. Here I'm using for loop, the array, the string length, string 1 j plus plus string minus I. Then that is print f reverses. It will display the reverse. Else. Yeah, this condition will get executed. That is, if PID process ID 1 is equal to 0, equal to 0, then this condition will be executed. It will print the child process parent ID. Then here I am using the for loop. This condition I am giving I1j greater than equal to 0, string length string 1 j plus plus string minus I. I am comparing the string 1 and string equal to string. It is equal to 0. Then I print if it is equal to 0, it will print palindrome, else it is not palindrome. And then if this is not executed, then else it will sleep. So I will show you the output for that. Yep, so I am entering this string. String length is 9 and child process and parent ID reverse is Malayalam and it is a palindrome. So that is my second question. So this string is a palindrome. My third question is to write a C++ program to create the following process hierarchy and perform the following. First is process A reads an integer as input. Process B finds the factorial of the number and C checks Armstrong or not. D prints the Fibonacci series. C checks the number of prime, reverse number, process ID. So this is my third question, and the code for that is So this is my C language code for that. I have initialized headings. Then I am initializing int n, printing of int, initialize parent process A with ID, enter an integer. So I am giving the PID for the same conditions as the previous questions. I am giving, and we are using for loop the array, the condition I am given, print a factorial. Then this condition I am giving process D created, parent ID, child ID, I am initializing a equal to n, x is equal to a, b equal to 0, c is equal to 1 and d. Then Fibonacci series I am printing. Here I am using while loop and giving the condition x minus 2 greater than 0. Then this is the condition I have given, else it will go to sleep. Then again I am giving the condition, that is here if that is not there, means else it will go to sleep. Else this condition will get executed. That is, if PID equal 2 equal to 0, I am initializing PID 2 equal to 4, and if it is process ID 2 equal to 0, then this is the printf statements. Process C created, parent ID, child ID, percentage d slash n. Then this is the condition I have given. Here I am using while condition on equal to 0, r is equal to on percentage 10, and giving this condition. So it will execute it according to the condition, and then print up it is an Armstrong number, otherwise it is not an Armstrong number. And then then again I am initializing PID 3 equal to 4, and if that is equal to 0, then this condition will be executed. That is, I am printing these statements: E created, process E will be created if process ID 3 equal to 0, and parent ID, child ID. I am giving this condition for loop, and in this I am using the if the condition I am given. So it will be a prime number. If c equal to 2, it's a prime number, else it is not a prime number. So then again process ID 5 I am giving, and if checking if it equal to 0, then f is created, and this same process is repeating. I am giving condition is given here, so I will show you the output. So it will print the reverse. So integer, so I have entered the integer 5. Yeah, so when integer 5, the process B is created, and the parent ID is there, and the child ID is there. The factorial of 5 is also given there, and then D will be created. Fibonacci series also displayed here. Process C is created, parent ID, child ID, and the 5 is not an Armstrong number, it is displayed there, and F is created and E is created. Then parent ID is this, and the reverse of the 5 is 5 only, and it is a prime number. So this is my Unix 8th experiment. Thank you.